You've watched the videos and you know what you're supposed to do. Block the first one and let the second one go. So why does your mind go blank the minute the banger winds up to hit that shot? You can have all of the shots. You can have the block, you can let the out ball go. But here's the thing that no one talks about. You have to have the right mindset to make all of that work. And that's what we're going to talk about today. The 3 mindset shifts you need to make to finally beat the banger. Hey everybody, my name is CJ Johnson, and here at Better Pickleball, we help pickleball players over 50 live their best lives on and off the pickleball courts. And back again, my buddy Jeannie. Yay. We are going to teach you what's been missing in your Beat the Banger game. Mindset shift number 1. Always expect the ball to come hard. All right, I want you to think about this for just a minute. Take yourself to your regular game every week that you play. Who is the person who always bangs the ball? Think about their name. All right, I'm gonna count to 3 and you're gonna say it out loud with me. 1, 2, 3. All right, so when that player hits the ball hard, why are you surprised? A true banger only has one shot, and that means that the ball is hard no matter where they hit the ball from on the court. So a good rule of thumb, no matter what shot it is, whether it's a banger or you're playing a different shot, always expect the ball to come hard. If you know that the ball is coming hard, you're prepared for that shot. And if it just so happens to come soft, which it usually doesn't with a banger, but if for some reason it happens to come soft, you're still in a position to play the shot. If you set up for a soft shot and then the ball comes hard, you're not going to have enough time to regroup. So the very first thing you need to do is be prepared for the hard shot. Confidence comes from clarity, and when you know what you're working on, when you have a roadmap, that's where you'll find real improvement. Get our free guide right over here so that you know what's next for your game. Mindset shift number 2. You got to give yourself permission to let the ball go out. Now, have you ever let a ball go, made a decision to let it go, and then you turned around and you saw the ball stay in? How'd you feel? I mean, come on, put it down in the comments below, because it's happened to all of us. There are going to be times that you think a ball is going out when it actually lands in. But it's what happens after that decision that often gets us in trouble. The first thing is this, is when you're making that decision about the out ball, remember, the further away the player is from you, the more likely that ball is in. So if I'm here at the NVZ and Jeannie's back at the baseline, there's a good chance that that ball is staying in. The closer Jeannie gets to me, the higher the likelihood that ball goes out. Now, even when she comes into the court, there are going to be some balls, as I said, that I'm going to let go because I think they're out, but they're actually going to land in. The question then becomes of math. When you look at it, let's just say for every 10 shots that Jeannie hits, 4 of them stay in. Now that means 6 of them went out. By all accounts, I'm still ahead of the game, right? I have 2 more points from letting that ball go out. If that math reverses itself, if now all of a sudden only 4 balls are going out and 6 balls are staying in, I have to make a different decision when it comes to Jeannie. But here's the extra special tip. That decision doesn't go to every banger that I play. It goes to that particular banger. So when it comes to letting the out ball go, don't feel bad. You've made the decision, and just make sure that you're playing the odds. Mindset shift number 3. These 2 words, they are going to change everything. The words are bring it. Bring it. The perfect block volley. I'm here, I'm ready. I simply get the paddle in front of the ball. It blocks the ball softly back over the net. When I am here and I am at the non-volley zone and I'm looking back there at my favorite banger, I'm thinking to myself is, come on, is that all you got? Can you only hit it that hard? Bring it, hit it harder. Now the reason that I think that is because by thinking those words, I now get to a more offensive position. What you're going to notice here is now I get my shoulders so that they are over the front part of my foot, or what we call the triangle of my foot. That puts flex in my knees, flex in my hip, and it makes me ready for the block volley and to absorb the pace that the banger is sending my way. If, however, I'm intimidated by the pace, I look over there and I'm thinking, oh, Jeannie hits it so hard, which she does. Jeannie hits it so hard and I'm not ready for it. Typically what you'll see is I may stand a little taller. I might bring the paddle in a little bit closer to my body. I might get it more into this position. So when I'm in this position, I'm not in as good a position to be able to defend the shot, to be able to hit that block volley. I don't want to miss block volleys like that. And there's a lot of things that changed just because of my posture and what I'm thinking. So when you're here at the non-volley zone, get yourself into an offensive position. Think, bring it. Is that all you got? Be ready for that ball to come hard, and the position you create is going to help you to get a better block volley. Your first step is to make sure that you have developed the skills. You need a good block volley. You need to be able to let the out ball go. And there's video popping up on this page that's designed to help you to do that. But once you've got those skill set, you have to have the mindset shifts that pulls all those skills together. I want to thank my buddy Jeannie for helping me out on this beautiful day to help you to be your favorite banger, because together we can train smart, live bold, and age well.